Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update for Project Level Up. Project Level Up was a project created by Sophie Alexandra. This is a project that kind of combines a few favorite eyeshadow project pans in the community. You randomly generate an eyeshadow palette, and for level 1, you're using the palette No Pan Left Behind, using each of the shades one time and hitting one pan. For level 2, you're using every single shade in the palette 2 times and hitting 2 pans, etc. As someone who really struggles with hitting pan, I do mine a little bit differently in that I want to use my focus shades 25 times before rolling them out, or pan if I get there, but I haven't had much luck so far. As of the last update, I was nearly finished with my level 2 palette and I chose to roll in my level 3, but I didn't start working on my level 3 palette until I was done with level 2, and I'm glad that I did. So my level 2 palette is my Tartelette Toasted palette. I will share with you what this palette looked like when I shared it with you last time. As of the last update, I believe I had already used the palette between 20 and 25 uses. I had met my goal on using each of the shades at least 2 times, but I wasn't quite at my 25 use or pan goal for my 2 focus shades. I have now completed my level 2 palette, so let's walk through my progress together. This is what the palette is looking like after finishing. I'm really happy with my usage on this. I feel like I have some more dips, and I like the every single shade X number of times because it includes the shades you already have pan on, which typically get neglected. I've used this palette 5 times this year to finish off my goal, and I used this palette a total of 30 times while it was in this project pan to reach my usage goals and hit my usage goals on my focus shades, which were Latte and Crackle. And I feel like they do have dips, but nothing too substantial. This metallic packaging is kind of hard to see. I also worked a lot on S'more, which already had pan going into this project, but I definitely used it a lot. Let's go shade by shade, and I'll tell you how many times I've used each of them. I used S'more 20 times, even though that was not one of my focus shades. I used Sunrise 5 times. This is a really great natural inner corner highlight. Sunset I used 3. One of my focus shades, this is Crackle, and I used that 25 times. I used Cashmere only 3 times. I feel like these ones were too close to focus on both of them. The next 2 I used twice each. I reached for Cozy 3 times. Again, these ones already had pan in them. Next down here, I used this shade twice. One of my focus shades, I met my 25 uses on that. And then I used these last 2 shades twice each, which was my minimum goal. So as you can see, with 25 uses, I am nowheres close to pan on either of these shades. These shades here took probably 50 plus uses, and I didn't want to be working on this palette forever. I'm happy it got 30 uses from me in this project. I made some progress, but I am ready to set this one down and now focus on my level 3 palette. Like I said, the last update, I randomly generated my level 3 palette, and that is my ColourPop Never Tore Us Apart quad. It has a clear cover, so I didn't want to show you yet. I will insert a clip of what this palette looked like when I first rolled it in. It had been used before, but just very lightly. Since then, and since finishing my level 2, I've now reached for this palette 9 times. I will show you close up what it's looking like today after 9 uses. I hope you're able to see there's definitely some usage and wear on these shades, but nothing substantial yet. My goal with this palette is to use each of the 4 shades 3 times and then 3 of the shades 25 times. I so far haven't really only chosen to work on 3 of the 4 shades. I feel like this works really well all together as a quad. And so the usage on each of these shades is pretty neck and neck. So whenever 3 of the 4 hit 25 uses, then that will be a goal completed. These are ColourPop eyeshadows. There's no way I'm going to hit pan on these. And that was also true for my Tarte palette. And you know what? I'm fine with that. I'm really happy with just getting usage on these palettes. So let's go shade by shade. I never know if, like when I'm looking here, if this shade, which is the top left, corresponds to the top left here, or if this shade, if they match this way. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say The Good Life is this shade here, which is a goldish green, very almost duochrome shade. It is very beautiful. I have used this shade 5 times so far. Rich Rich is a champagne, very light, beautiful inner corner highlight, but it definitely has a green undertone. I have used this shade 7 times so far. Like a Bull is a very rich, warm brown, a little bit deeper than I would prefer on an everyday basis. I wish this one was lighter, but I have used this now 7 times as well. And then lastly, we have Trust Me, this dark olive green shade, and I've used this shade 5 times as well. I do have this shade in my look today, but I didn't want a warm green look. I wanted to mix like a cooler green and purple. Kind of fun. I don't know. I'm going to work later. We'll see. So overall, I've used this 9 times, like I said. I have used these 2 shades 7 times each and these 2 shades 5 times each. So I am making good progress, but I'm nowhere close to my goal. I am seeing disturbance in these shades, but I really don't feel hopeful I'll be able to hit pan on any of them. If I do and it's a surprise, that's fantastic. But if not, I'm happy with getting usage. I really like the quality of these eyeshadows. I have been really enjoying these ColourPop quads. I am concerned that the packaging is going to break. I already see a crack happening in my hinge over here. And at that point, that's going to be kind of annoying to use if the packaging breaks, but I try and be really careful, and I also store it in its box. Other than that, I don't have that much more to share with you. I'm happy that I completed my level 2 palette. I'm working on my level 3. I still have a long way to go on this, and I won't roll in my level, I was going to say level 4, but I think I'm going to go back to level 1 again until I'm closer, like maybe have 20-ish uses on some of these shades. But for right now, I'm happy with working on this one along with the eyeshadows I'm working on in my The Ultimate Eyeshadow Project pan. I feel like I have a good variety to get me through day to day. I don't always use this palette or quad altogether as a quad. Like today, I just used the green. I like just reaching for 1 or 2 of these shades here and there. And for right now, that's really working for me. Thank you so much, Sophie, for creating such a fun project pan. I really enjoy participating in it, and it's one of my very favorites to watch others do because I am just not the best at panning eyeshadow. And you know what? That's okay. At least I'm getting use out of the eyeshadows I already have in my collection. This one is probably like middle-aged in my collection, but like this one is very old. And I like working on it in bite-sized pieces, like 25, 30 uses at a time, just so it never feels fully neglected in my collection. I don't know if I'll ever be able to actually pan it to completion, but I'm happy with the use that it just received. And now I'm happy to focus on this little quad, and it doesn't take up very much space in my makeup bag. You'll have to let me know how you feel about this project pan. Is it one that you enjoy watching? Who are your favorite creators that participate? I love watching creators who are really good, really efficient at panning eyeshadow because I find it motivating even if my progress never really looks like theirs. Because this is the ColourPop Never Tore Us Apart palette as part of their Zodiac collection. In your comment below, either Share what your zodiac sign is or use the emoji that corresponds to it. I would love to chat with you guys in the comments. I am an Aquarius, which is maybe why I'm so dang weird. If you enjoyed today's Project Pan update, be sure to give me a thumbs up so that I know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!